will continue to roll over in your lifetime. I try to control myself. Mabasin trying, kana. I try to control myself, but I will not dance to this easy music today. But I will not dance. I dance too much at the weekend, but no, I cannot dance. But no, I don't that particular music. I mean, but Jesus! I mean, that kind of boy have to dance this song. Come leave me, make I love you, eh? Come, you know the same person go market, come back. Make I call this Neru.
You just ain't carrying phone, so?
He must to carry phone now. Neru. Chineru. Dafobamo. No, don't talk. Don't give me any excuse. Afobamo. Oh, so person no fit send you go market. You know what? You don't late for sure. No yours come again. Yours they go house, go cook that thing. No yours come again. It's okay. No, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's because of election and because of change. No, don't worry. Who blame Kefian? No, it's okay. After all, it's a season of change. Hey, I changed from one seat to another seat. So, I'm there. Now, I season of change. Season of change. My people, good evening. Welcome on Top the Night Show today. Happy election, oh. Happy post-election. Easy, you vote?
No,
Easy. You know, be part of the change.
The machine no work.
Hey, easy, I vote. Hey, well, now they say change don't come. It was say you stand there before. Now there's no stand there again. No. You get to change your direction.
Your position.
If to say you they come from north before, you get to change and come from the south. You can make it nabado. So nabado. So yado now me embrace the change. We too, all over Nigeria, we say all of us go and embrace the change too. You got to go. I sit down here before, now I don't sit down here. They don't know they come to the show. I don't punish, I say, make him go house. I said, I'm go market, he never come back. Muna no ask me of Neru today, in no day. So today, I no could tell you na date. Neru, they always tell you na date. You see, what's it be today? Face of April. April Fool! Oh, wow! April Fool's Day!
We're supposed to do April Fool's Day. We don't quick planner.
No, we don't quick planner. We could do April Fool tomorrow. Tomorrow, April 2nd. They could forget say April Fool.
April Fool, so we could just do it.
So we could just do it small. We could just some kind small things.
You just click. Oh, I know wahala.
Anyway, for sure today, we get one very fine topic we want to talk about. But before then, you watch the election result when you know say you don't enter dictionary now.
You don't enter, yes.
So for what thing you notice for the election, may I first ask you?
I noticed plenty. So,
you very bad guy.
The one where you make me laugh fast. You know say I want to see the way Jega come to the door, they delay, they talk say let's go for a short break. We are coming back. So some people can't do one thing because they say very soon now the Jega will talk say now let's have a performance from Davido.
You know, I just person say if Jega tell you and they come back in 10 minutes. If you marry that kind of Jega like this, you dey house with Jega, you come it and say, "Darling, sweet baby, I want to go and buy Brazilian hair." Okay, give me 10 minutes. You are on your own about a very long thing because the 10 minutes go turn to forever.
You died here. According to the DED, die. He's dead.
He get one guy. Wasn't me, I noticed that guy, he wear green shirt. I don't know which telephone company they work for. When they say the result from one state for not like that, I can't say how the sign language, how you can know from the sign language, say that na the state. If you say Sokoto, how you can know say, I can say Sokoto, Abi, Sokoto. How you they do? I don't know.
They get their sign out.
I can't say if I see him, I won't ask him. How you want to say my name? This na Katim. Katim know the dictionary. But how you want to take to him? This na Katim. People talk say in they make people say people say that thing no translate them well.
Oh.
Some people say they make mistake in trans. I can't say well. People like us we no sabi anything concerning translation. How we go take do them now? We just they look and they watch them like film. They do you work inside. You self they.
And then even they do that itself. Very soon, go see boy. Go say, "Some boy." Go say boy.
My people, now what you want to talk about today on top of the show? What you want to talk about now in the light of the election? But we also want to ask una one just simple question. As usual for this show, we always tell una tell us the truth. No say because say na yeah we dey talk am as e dey do you. We go market small, very small. When we come back. Isi go now some music. Then I go tell you now the kind of we won't discuss on top the night show. Today na today. Today is the day of change. Come make it say by me on this chair. Now I have moved to here. So make it I have embraced change. So therefore, so must you. We dey come back. So we dey you don't see I don't enter the spirit of the music of the dance.
You don't ginger
oh, that is my brother's song. Oh, no, I'm for saying I'm quantum sometimes. Yeah, I don't know. Mufe, welcome back on top of the night show today. Today they have fun. Only me inside this one very same place. No tell Nedu say aside though.
But why you can't do Nedu to this?
Why Nedu go market? You know they look time. Why in Coco market?
But the other day when you date for traffic now, so in wait for you.
But that one na me now.
But it's on a change.
That's it. Come make it now, you don't enter the spirit. It's the spirit of change. So now, easy with that is the spirit of change. So yeah, look, the topic of discussion this very night. I not tell Easy this one, no, because I've been one tell Nedu, but Nedu mess up. So. Nedu back corner. Come on, now, young Nedu back corner. So now, yours one very simple question. Yeah, but easy bit after more before then come move back for your. So yeah, bado. So Apedo, no. If you are a man, if you be man, and then your wife, or your girlfriend, or your madam. Or your partner, or your baby, or your sweetheart, all and all. Now for bad, and then your wife already follow the president of this Nigeria like this as we did so. You could still they give him job money. Easy. You could still no, me will talk through.
I don't understand.
No, now if your wife, your girlfriend, your sweetheart, your sweet baby, our telephone number code on our screen, telephone us, make we know. You could fit still give your madam job money or what they call upkeep. If you they give an upkeep, how much you could give them?
If she be first lady.
If she be first lady, now you just be the husband. Maybe you be first man.
Okay.
Or if you marry woman, when come be president of a country, maybe we talk Nigeria now.
Okay.
Now you could still give them no be pocket money, job money. Make una call us, make una tell us what una think on top this matter because we don't argue this thing and we don't put it on top Twitter. So you fit tweet at us at W Night Show. May we read on a tweet. Person say he said the guy and the lady went translate. Say then try, no be small. He said, but that guy went translate can't no result. I don't know. Muna tell me that green shirt guy. Now that guy went wear green shirt. If not that guy I know they are your store. So yaba nabado. So send us on a tweet say if you be man, then your wife come be president. Una went there for house before una yours day JJ on a normal someday on a normal day. Now I'm in dong Nerudwa. I send Neru to the market now. Okay, sweat baby, yours manage this money. Help me go and buy some things. So if you marry woman, when come be presido, You could still give and job money?
Easy,
you know they laugh on top this kind of matter. Why do they laugh now? You could still give and job money.
It depends now.
On waiting.
Okay, now I don't marry wife finish. Then she come be president tomorrow.
Yes.
So I don't know whether they say it like first man, you know. So whether she go money for food, but what I do?
No. Easy now, yes or no. You could still give and job money. Yes or no.
Who go give each other?
Hey, easy, you're very wicked man. What do you mean by who go give each other? No, but you marry, I'm not your wife now.
You know, so many things they involve for that matter.
I don't know. Which kind many things?
Okay, now number one now, you don't marry and finish, then she can't become first lady. She can't get bodyguards, she can't get some kind of people where she they go see. Don't say the way man they take reason different. The way woman they take reason different. Man, if you just tell her now.
You be her husband face. Like even before she turned first lady or before she turned president, you are excellency.
But you know,
from Lagos, hello? You see, I never finished with you. I'm gonna try and call us back. No, not true. I want hear what men go talk. Even women on a fit call, put your mouth inside this matter, but hello? I want know. Hello? No, they know that they just play with the telephone line.
Okay.
Me when I go buy credit before on a telephone, no, and then when I call, when I take off your television set, I beg you. I know they for plenty grammar today. Now I'm in bad on me call. If I get season of change, come make it now bad. So I don't want problem. So no, me will talk through.
Okay, now number one, as man, it should take be, You know, say man like this.
If your husband, for example, you they work for oil company, your wife come be president. Why you not go give him job money now?
I did try to explain it to you. You
explain
never
what way explain, I hear you.
Okay, you know, say normally in a men like this, we feel just day like this, I feel tell my people say, I dey come out, I want to go see my family, I want to go see my wife for house. You understand? I go tell them say, all these meetings make una keep them. I don't want to send na meeting right now. Me and my wife. But now we blessing our wife, can't do for that position. You can't get me, can't surround down. She can't give them instruction.
So now that one they bother you. So.
The thing they bother me.
No, but easy, no wait. Now your wife, now you know I'm inside out. You know I'm past all those people when they are around them. All those people yours they because of the office when she they occupy now. Now you know say all these things no they enter her head.
So I can't give her money say take her cook moku job.
Wow. So therefore you the talk say no. So you could say no.
That you get that CBO.
No, easy, you get that CB, no be answer. Ungwadumuna call us more with all this matter. This easy. Your mouth today one kind. Hello from Lagos. Your mouth.
Hello, yes.
Hey, okay, me how now?
I do. So my wife go become president. Then I go still give her chop money. How that I won't work?
Why?
You know if it works now, she don't become president. We go there they change level together.
So who could bring money for the food for us?
We don't need the change together now. Nobody you they celebrate too. Forget that level. We don't enter the change together because we go ruffle and enter change. Change so... don't meet the wife. Change don't meet the husband. So we just reflect the change together.
So therefore, you go keep your money for it. What do you go carry your money do?
Me sir, I go use that they change my life with that now.
They change your life how?
Yeah.
You go change your life when you go involve your madam for house.
I go involve madam, but madam don't be higher level of change.
So therefore, make she bring the money for the food for us.
No, that don't feel work. It don't feel work at all.
Oh, thank you. Okay, hello. Hello? Anna?
Ade.
Sammy boy. So where you go? So where you get to talk this matter?
Nah, the matter say it's tough, but I don't promise and say as I marry her, I will provide for her. And I must maintain that work.
You are a very good man. Now God go bless you.
Amen.
Thank you so much. Easy, you they listen.
See, the way the matter they be say, you won't take care of president.
Easy, now office me. Which kind of president? Now you are wife.
You won't take care of president. Okay, now see. Okay, now she come house. Funny enough.
You not get children, no?
You know, if you watch all these presidents say, most know this is what I said. Most of their children, they around. They could just stay one place. They could just hang. The one way they go school. The one way they study one parole, they study So you just can't if the lady know. Boredom feel even kill the man self.
Bana. Oh, easy your head to the waka. Alice, how now? Good evening.
Hello.
Alice.
Yes.
Anna, good evening. Happy election, oh.
We are very grateful. Oh.
So now like this, if you can't be president now, you could make your husband go to still give future money.
You go give me because all the money I get now it belongs to my husband.
So he must give you. After all, the country money now the country money, no be you get them.
Now country money, but I don't say interest must enter.
So he supposed to give future money.
He will give me some money because he gives me as wife.
So he give you as wife. No, thank you so much, Alice. No. Thank you, Alice. From you see her? You see her?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Faithful.
You know come.
Oh, you know come. Maybe faithful. They also go about if you give them. Also where they give them. You know come.
I don't know you know come. Me I think say as the thing they like that. The man go still bring the money. We go still package ourselves well, but you must do your responsibility for house. You go bring out the money. The money where they, I go still show you the way. But the right thing where the man to do, he go do. He go bring the money. You understand? Now him be the head for the family. Forget that the president. He go bring the money. So that's just it.
Oh, I mean, thank you, sweet girl. Ooh, come on, do. Anything more so on your Faithful? That's her name that is doing her. I think you hear what Faithful talk. He said he was doing duty as husband. Hello? Go by credit now. Hello? Hello? Nobody did telephone line. So Faithful, no, he can't want him when Faithful talk. He say, before him be president, they know themselves, they don't they package themselves, they don't they manage themselves as them be. So why all those things go change now? Because she don't be president. Then at least talk for local just say no be in money. Now the country money. So what's in there for man to give him wife top money?
He go fit.
What if he go fit? Have you not get money before?
Waiting you won't give her. Okay, number one. Okay.
Waiting they worry. No, waiting be that thing when they worry you because since we talk this matter, you go just stand, think. See, okay, why you they think this matter like this?
See now, okay, you know what's in president? No, it's not be governor. Not president. President will carry the whole country. You understand?
So you they tell me say now, as soon as be husband and wife like this, you know go fit the wife.
That one I know now.
You know go remember say that president.
Hello.
Hello.
Katie, I don't talk to credit.
Oh, no fakes, sure, ma'am. Don't fakes. Oh, Leah. So how now?
Fine.
Okay, what do you get to talk on top of this matter?
This matter, man and money. God don't place you on top, saying you will provide for everything. This thing be like saying a marriage now. Woman is a business woman. Man, too, you are doing your own business. Two successful people in the room. It does not matter that the wife is getting money like the husband. Now the husband will call leave everything for the woman, especially because of the money.
When the man no be thief,
he will do it because my responsibility. Okay. Why go leave her for me?
I don't know. Help me ask Easy Bid. I don't know ask and since he no create answer me.
Yeah.
Easy Bid.
Yeah.
Are you sure say you're a good man?
Of course I'm a good man.
Me, I'm a married woman. Are you getting me?
Yeah. We hear you.
I'm a married woman. And a successful business woman. And also educated. My husband is also a successful businessman. So he's also doing his work, providing. Despite my own income, he's still doing it. Anytime he neglects me, I will stop cooking for him. You buy your wife will stop cooking for you. Then when you eat for outside for 1 week and see how your body will be, you'll come back with money for them. Thank you.
I don't feel talk again. Easy, you hear that brain when he give you your
snap. Come back.
Hello? Hello? Who there my line?
Hello?
Kagaki, Iyame. Ayang Fodro, is that your name?
Yes, Kakaki from Kaduna.
Iyame, what does that name mean?
It means a trumpet.
Okay. No, yeah, no.
Hello?
Oh, yeah, trumpet.
At first, I've been there wonder how you and Nedu go, they do your own. As per now, Nedu, no, I can't see you, they roll like egg roll.
My brother, that's how we roll, baby.
Like
that's
egg roll, huh?
Yo,
by the way, the second talk, we say, if my wife be president now, honestly, but people just they deceive themselves. There's what we call protocol. There's what we call protocol. You hear me, so?
I hear you.
So you get some things where we say if you don't start and see beginning from first year, make you just continue to the whole life like man of the family. Because even the chief security advisors and the rest, they don't go if you allow you run some things. You don't ever wonder how Desani Alison might be with her husband. Hello?
Yeah, they hear you.
You don't ever wonder how they run things with her husband. Yes, some things where we say, Ingo just they look. It won't make sure say he be man of the house. Make sure they hear advice from him.
So therefore, making still they keep on chop money?
No. That means the only advice. You know if you give anything, protocol presidency will supply everything for you now.
But the money not be presidency own now. The money not be her own.
It's part of protocol. Presidency will supply everything for you.
But you could get some kind thing. You could one day make yourself still relevant now as a husband to do something. Yeah. See trouble now. From Benin, hello.
Hello, good evening.
Anna.
Adeo.
Biola, baby.
I need that too.
How that side? How celebration? How every?
Everything, the ring road, the bubble now.
Now, so that's it. Now the way it's supposed to be. Okay, so what do you get to talk on top this matter?
If I be president, me, I don't go allow. As in, how much does my husband want to give me?
Yeah. Any seriously. Small thing count now. I feel any little small thing.
Let's not. I will not advise him to waste his money. Because I guess as a president, the budget day that will be feeding us.
This Biola, you be like who go to thief money for your husband? You no, president. You like this, Mba. How you gonna say making nobody again? So what you gonna use the money they do?
I would tell him to be keeping it,
for
maybe investing, because we must leave that place.
He could use the money chase woman, no?
Which woman?
Katim. You know, say
no woman. No. I trust him will not do that. But me, I'll just let him reason. Like, see, if you give me this money, it's not useful to me.
Yeah.
How much does he want to give me? That's the truth now.
It's not quarrel. It's fine. It's okay. Oh.
All right. Bye.
Oh, bye. Oh, the man said not even do anything. He could carry men, go arrest the man. He could put the man for. He could put him for one. This kind of Biola, he can't be like who go. Yours, if that man just mess up small, he could go lock him from one black room for down for somewhere.
You say they
you see, that's your punishment. See that trumpet when called from Kaduna when say how the Sani they do within Oka. you know go climb. You could still do your husbandly duty now. That time you know go remember saying minister or president. So if you fit still do your husbandly duty, how you know go fit do your husbandly duty inside where kitchen things concern?
You go fit do am, but to get the way the thing. If we come back, I go clear it about that.
Okay. When we come market, we they come back. This our talk with ECB. I see on a tweet. We could still read on a tweet when we come market. Come back.